What if I told you there's a fish Earth whose blood is completely transparent? No red color, no hemoglobin, no oxygen-carrying red blood cells. According to everything we learn in biology, that animal shouldn't be alive. And yet, deep beneath the freezing waters of Antarctica, it thrives. This is the Antarctic icefish, the only known adult vertebrate on Earth that survives without hemoglobin, rewriting the rules of life itself. Welcome back to VibeVerse, the home of smart, viral, daily content where nature's strangest creatures, mind-blowing science, and unbelievable adaptations come together. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme biological anomalies ever discovered, a fish that lives without blood as we know it. Fact: when the only vertebrate with no hemoglobin, Antarctic icefish belong to the family Canichthyeidae. They are the only known adult vertebrates on Earth that completely lack hemoglobin, the molecule that gives blood its red color and carries oxygen. As a result, their blood is clear and transparent, almost like water. In most animals, losing hemoglobin would be fatal. For icefish, it's just normal. Fact: how can they survive without red blood cells? Icefish survive because of where they live. The Antarctic Ocean is extremely cold. In dissolved oxygen, slow-moving cold water can hold far more oxygen than warm water. Icefish take advantage of this by absorbing oxygen directly through their skin and gills, without needing red blood cells to transport it. Nature found another way. Fact 3: their bodies are built for oxygen absorption. As fish have evolved several incredible adaptations: large hearts that pump huge volumes of blood, wide blood vessels to move oxygen-rich plasma efficiently, thin, scaleless skin that allows oxygen to diffuse directly into their bodies instead of oxygen hitching a ride on red blood cells. It simply dissolves in their blood plasma and flows. Fact: for transparent blood isn't a gimmick, it's survival without hemoglobin. Icefish blood is much less viscous, meaning it flows more easily. Clear, thin blood keeps circulation smooth even at sub-zero temperatures. What looks like a weakness is actually a life-saving advantage. Fact 5: antifreeze proteins keep them alive. Antarctic icefish also produce antifreeze glycoproteins, special molecules that prevent ice crystals from forming inside their bodies. These proteins bind to ice crystals and stop them from growing, allowing the fish to survive in waters that would instantly freeze the blood of most animals. They are literally swimming in temperatures below the freezing point of blood. Fact 6: evolution deleted a gene and made them stronger. Scientists discovered that icefish lost the genes responsible for producing hemoglobin millions of years ago. Instead of dying out, they adapted. Fact 7: their environment makes them unique. Icefish can only survive in extremely cold, oxygen-rich waters. If placed in warmer oceans, oxygen levels drop, their oxygen absorption fails. They cannot survive. This makes them highly specialized, perfectly adapted to Antarctica, but unable to live anywhere else on Earth. Fact 8: scientists study icefish to understand human health. These fish aren't just a biological curiosity. Scientists study them to learn about oxygen delivery without red blood cells, blood viscosity and circulation, heart enlargement, and efficiency called adaptation, and antifreeze proteins. This research may help improve treatments for blood disorders, hypoxia, low oxygen conditions, organ preservation, cardiac diseases. Fact 9: climate change is their greatest threat. As fish evolved for stability, constant cold, constant oxygen. As Antarctic waters warm, oxygen levels decrease, metabolic demands increase. The fish struggle to adapt. Their highly specialized biology leaves them extremely vulnerable to climate change. A creature that survived millions of years may struggle against a few decades of warming. Fact 10: proof that life finds impossible solutions. The Antarctic icefish proves one powerful truth: life does not follow our rules. What we consider essential, red blood, hemoglobin, oxygen carriers, can be replaced under the right conditions. Nature doesn't just survive, it innovates. Conclusion: life beyond the rules. A fish with no hemoglobin, transparent blood, living in freezing darkness. The Antarctic icefish is one of Earth's greatest evolutionary miracles, a reminder that life adapts in ways far beyond human imagination. And as we explore extreme environments on Earth, we may also be learning how life could survive on other planets, under conditions we once believed were impossible. If this blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to VibeVerse for more smart, viral, daily stories from the edge of science and nature. Sometimes, the strangest creatures teach us the most about life itself.